Everyone. Thanks for coming for the press brief. Actually, we have called this press brief mainly to brief about the scenario which has happened in airports for the last couple of days. The disruption caused due to Indigo Airlines cancellations. So we as Airport Authority has tried our level best to ensure all directives of the ministry, and we have been directed stage by stage by the ministry to help the maximum passengers who had their grievance with the airlines or otherwise are affected due to this. We have tried our level best. Indigo Airlines, we in coordination with Indigo Airlines, even in Indigo Airlines also have done 24/7 ticketing counters and all to help the passengers who have already been affected. So as Airport Authority, we had started a control room 24/7 where all the stakeholders were available in the control room to attend to the passenger grievances, and state police, traffic police, CISF and all the stakeholders have helped us a lot in helping the passengers and also to manage the queues, avoid congestion in the airport, and ensure that all facilities are available to the passengers. So we had personally senior officials, like big team was created for frequent visits in the terminal building to ensure that passengers are heard. Actually, passengers are heard so that their grievance will be less and heard, and somebody is attending to the passengers' queries. And real-time information was given to social media and all other media people, so that people will be aware about the information, because 5th May maximum cancellation happened. Uske baad and uske before, it was all majority were pre-planned cancellations. Because of that, we didn't have much congestion in the airport. But on 5th, there was a huge cancellation, and the number 5th May, it was around 31 cancellations were there 5th. So because of that, in the ticketing counter, we experienced crowd, but that was managed very well by 5th May, 34 cancellations were there, and because of that we saw crowd in ticketing counter. So we had given additional ticketing counter to Indigo and provided all support, all manpower, so that they could help the passengers in the proper way, and seating arrangements were made in the city side to ensure that elderly passengers or pregnant women, passengers with children are able to sit, and so that Indigo people can attend them accordingly. And we had provided all the necessary refreshment facilities, water, drinking water in city side and also inside the terminal building, and all requirements with respect to medical and sanitary napkins, baby diapers, refreshment, diabetic food, all के लिए arrangement किया था. So passengers were almost okay, but grievance was there because their flights were delayed for so many times, because creeping delay was also happening. So they were, but majority in Goa, we didn't have any negative experience, in the sense like they were too much annoyed to create commotion. ऐसा नहीं था, but still it was all manageable, and all stakeholders together worked as a team. But still we are facing now, it's all planned cancellations, so people are not coming to airport, so congestion is not there in the airport. But Indigo, so far as per the data provided by Indigo, till 8th all cancellation refunds have been given to passengers, and during the 5th and 6th 100% passengers they couldn't give hotel facilities, so that they had some issue in that. But otherwise it was all facilities, and unlimited refreshment also was provided by them anytime, 24/7 unlimited, and Airport Authority also ensured that people are given refreshment at proper timings.